Every corner has a story, and today, an entire neighborhood does. Welcome back to BB in the City. Today, we're going to explore part one of Palmer Square, walking from Kedzie Boulevard to Humboldt Boulevard, along the south side of this beautiful neighborhood. You never know what you're going to find. Come on, let's go for a walk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's free. Just down the street, this gorgeous front porch immediately caught my eye. Can you imagine sitting here on a summer evening? This might be one of my favorites so far. The ivy climbing the walls make it feel like it's straight out of a storybook. Then I spotted this limestone home. I love how it's tucked behind the trees. It's elegant without trying too hard. This is exactly why I love exploring neighborhoods like this. Around every corner, there's something that makes you stop and smile. Okay, that's pretty cool. You're so fancy, you don't just put your house number on the house. You built it right into the gate. This beautiful house immediately caught my attention, and then I looked up. Wait, is that a dragon? It sure is. It's like they added a little Game of Thrones to the top of the house. I definitely was not expecting that. That's it for part one, but our walk through Palmer Square isn't over yet. Next time, we'll cross the north side and discover even more beautiful homes, hidden details, and a few surprises along the way. If you've enjoyed today's walk, I'd love to have you join me in part two. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on another Chicago adventure. I'm Beth. This is BB in the City, where every corner has a story.